Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the logo creator custom GPT inside ChatGPT that you can use to generate professional logo designs and app icons. So before I will show you an actual example, I just want to let you know that if you want to get access to a free database of thousands of custom GPTs categorized by categories, official GPT description, and you can also search it by category with more than 20 categories, official GPT description and custom GPT name, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. And I also have other free custom GPT resources related to social media marketing, search engine optimization, and more. So link to these in the description below. But now let's see how to use the logo creator custom GPT. So if you want to create a logo inside ChatGPT using this custom GPT, of course you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription to be able to use custom GPTs. Then if you have one, all you have to do is click on Explore GPTs on the left. Then you can close the sidebar and search for logo creator in the search bar. Once you have found it, just click on that, and as you can see, it will open up the custom GPT. And now all we have to do is basically add our prompt. So this is the prompt I have come up with: generate a website logo for a crypto website. Then click on send message. As you can see, instead of generating a logo right off the bat, it will ask us for more information. So to create a good website logo, it will ask for our preferences and what kind of logo we want. So as you can see, first it will ask whether we want a vibrant, a neutral, or a serious logo. And it will also ask some further questions. So you can test this out. Right now we want to make a short demonstration. So let's say skip all 4 questions and generate a logo using the default options immediately, which is a D here. So in this case, let's see what it will come up with using the default options. So as you can see, it is creating our logo right now using DALL-E 3. And as you can see, this is the logo we have received. So if you don't like it, of course, you can regenerate it or add some modifications in the next message. And if you click on it and click on this information icon, you can see what kind of image prompt was used to generate this crypto image website logo with DALL-E. So in all, this is how you can use the logo creator custom GPT to create professional website logos or app icons inside ChatGPT. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials. And also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.